The Department of Justice recently announced that the owner of a tanker testing and repair company was sentenced to 1 month in prison and 5 months of home confinement for lying to OSHA and making illegal repairs to cargo tankers. Let's take a look at what took place in this week's NASP Safety News Break. According to local sources, Jacobson and an employee were severely burned and hospitalized in critical condition after an explosion occurred during cargo tanker repairs in August of 2018. The explosion was set off when the employee, a welder, pierced the skin of the tanker, which contained residual flammable material. During the subsequent investigation, Jacobson falsely told OSHA that his company had no employees and that the person doing the welding was an observer. A DOJ press release also stated that Jacobson lied about several other points, including telling the OSHA inspector that he used a lower explosive limit meter to test the tank for explosive fumes prior to welding. Additionally, he admitted in his plea agreement that he wasn't certified to conduct cargo tanker repairs, but conducted them regularly at his business and had a routine practice of falsifying results for pressure testing that he conducted on behalf of cargo tank owners. When confronted about this practice, Jacobson lied to a Department of Transportation inspector about it as well. Lauren Jacobson, the owner of KCCS Inc., pled guilty to the charges in May of this year. At the time of the hearing, Jacobson faced a maximum of 10 years in prison and a fine of up to $250,000 for each count. Ultimately, he was fined $15,000 and given 3 years of supervised release in addition to his confinement. What do you think about Jacobson's sentencing? Let us know in the comments section below. And as always, like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest in safety-related news, tips, and tricks. Have a safe week, and we'll see you on the next NASP Safety News Break.